Hello and welcome back to another episode. We're currently still out in this job in the Southside at the minute. I'm just heading down to get some timber for building in the TV, and I'm also going to get some skirtings. Sorry guys, I'm just pulling out this tiny driveway. I'm going to get skirtings, I'm going to get facings and a bit of dado rail as well. So we've got most of the media unit built. It's just Wednesday 9 o'clock. Got most of the media unit built. Alex Matheson was in yesterday doing the electrical work, so he's managed to get all of the LED lights on. We've put in 4 double sockets in down at the bottom. The client, because it's quite thick walls in the basement, he needs to jump up his Wi-Fi and stuff like that, so we've managed to put in a power bank for him. The lights are all on a dimmer as usual, cob tape. So yeah, it's all looking really good. I'm just in the last wee rush just to try and get, not a rush, but I'm on the last wee stages just to try and get this room ticked off. So we've got everything in the middle of the room we're trying to work around, so I'm just trying to get this room ticked off. Then that means we can move everything. The kids are away, so we're going to take over their bedroom, put some of the furniture into their room, and then we're going to try and hit this between Thursday and Friday, maybe start sanding Thursday afternoon, and hopefully just get all the sanding done of at least the hallway and the living room finished, so that then next week I'm paneling the bedroom, same style all round. Then it means I can hopefully finish that for Thursday, and then we can sand the doors and the bedroom on the Friday, and then we get all the waste away, everything all tidied up, get the guys from Get Wasted and get all the rubbish sorted. Need to book that actually. So yeah, we're making good progress, just under a wee bit of pressure. Timelines are a wee bit tight. We've got another job kicking off on Monday. But yeah, no, it's all going well so far. And hopefully we'll have everything sort of ticked off by the end of next week. But we'll see how we get on. So I'll see you back when we're in the job, and I'll show you how we're getting on. As you can see, that's me and Tommy now onto the sanding. So we've got loads to sand. That's me finished the walls in the big room. Tommy's got another one wee panel to do in the media unit. So I've just started sanding the hallway, and I'm just going to do my filling, then I'll do my hand sand, and then I'll go back to the big sander just to get all the filler a bit of time to set. So once we get that done, tomorrow we'll be sanding the 7 doors that we've done, and then that's all the items within the property, the big items ticked off. And then the following week, next week starting Monday, we're paneling the back bedroom. So that's all going to be exactly as you've seen, and it's all basically exactly the same. Going to do the same style all the way around. We've got some backlights. Alex Matheson has just been and rigged all that out. So yeah, so that's all looking good, and yeah, we're ready to crack on with that room. Hopefully we're going to finish here for Friday, all going well. I'm glad we got the media unit in quite quick, as that's meant we've allowed 2 days for sanding everything, which we've probably needed, to be honest. Yeah, it's a bit of a shift sanding, but we're getting there. We've got the 2 sanders now, so there's no stopping us. That's us inside. Obviously we're still out sanding the doors at the minute, but the room's a bit of a mess. But anyway, we've got the telly on, we've got the speaker in, we've got lights and all that on. I've managed to get the picture rail on up there. All the wall lights are on. Tommy's just finished sanding up that door there, so I'll get the ironmongery back on it and get all of that sorted. So yeah, it's Friday. It's just we've just finished our lunch. Got the TV bracket on as well. It's the usual Envision bracket. I don't know if you can see it there. So yeah, the client's just going to pop out and get another hanging rail. This one's not quite going to fit now that we've altered the walls. I'm going to get this other hanging rail done, and then I'm going to get the wee part cut out that the client wants. He wants to be able to see more of the facing. So yeah, we're making good progress, and I'll show you once we've got the curtains on, hopefully, and I've managed to cut the rest of that other palement off. That's us coming to the end of the week for Friday. So as you can see, media units all on. Managed to get the curtain rails back up and sorted. It's probably a bit of a mess, we're just tidying up. And we've got the other curtain rail all sorted. I've taken that check up now and given it a wee kind of step up so you can see more of the facing. So yeah, it's all looking good. Glad to be finished. Next week's the last week on this job. We'll get the master bedroom all sorted and we'll show you the full job once we're all finished. We'll see you again next week. Thanks for watching.